Let's make this powerful declaration together. Speak it out loud over your day. I declare that I am growing in wisdom, stature, and favor with God and man. I am crowned with loving kindness. Doors of opportunity are opening for me, and I step into them with boldness. The favor of God makes my life easy and my burdens light. Amen. Go out today expecting people to be good to you. Expect that email, that phone call, or that expected blessing. Walk with your head held high.
Where there was a wall, now there is a door.